Hello everyone, this is Sako. Today I will show you how to produce an awesome explainer video with 5 tips. Welcome. Explainer video is one of the greatest ways to introduce your brand to your customer. Here we have 5 tips that can help you to produce your awesome explainer video. 5 tips to overcome with awesome explainer video. Pay attention to your video script. When you start to produce your explainer video, make sure your video is short. Engage your target audience by the age, the sex, the income, the education, and then more. Find good music for your explainer video. Keep your video simple. In this part of video production, you have to find the problem, give the solution for the problem, how it works your product, also call to action. Contact Sako for any question about explainer video. Welcome.